Hi everyone, this is Tim with Discovering the High Life, and we are continuing our 2023 Christmas Lights Tour. If you've been following along, you can check our other videos on YouTube. We are at Keener's Christmas, it's called. I'll post the link below. This is north of Seattle, and this is a cool display in their house. It's a drive-through experience. You can tune into the radio, which we've got on now. So you can listen to some Christmas music as you go through. We'll turn it down so we don't get a strike from YouTube. The other thing that's exciting is we got the permission to fly an FPV drone through there. So give us a like for that, subscribe, and follow along. Get ready to watch the rest of the video. Thanks.
Okay.
Tell people who you are.
So this is Lucas. Right now we're going to go park. He gives instructions to go park by a car, and we got special rules to follow. So you guys can't just come here and do this. You have to ask permission first, guys. Always ask permission. So we're gonna go talk to the guy and see where he would like us to do it, and if it's good for today. So see you guys then. Bye.
All right guys, here we are in the driveway. We just spoke with the owner. You can see there's this beautiful display behind us, and I'm gonna launch the drone and just kind of do one slow loop around and kind of check out what's going on, and then we'll do another pass and we'll see what else we can get. So we're just gonna do a full tour of this yard. The owner said he's got estimated about 300,000 lights, so it should be really cool. Let's check it out. All right, we're just kind of cruising down the driveway slowly. Right now, there we go. I had to tighten up one of my dials. This is pretty cool. Camera settings look a little bit dark. I mean, actually, once I'm over here in the yard, it looks pretty cool. Let's see how low I can get. I don't want to knock anything down. I don't want to crash into anything. This is pretty cool. There was something there that I didn't want to hit. Oh, a fence. Is that Lucas?
Yeah. How's that going?
I see Santa. Gonna kind of come in between these two trees here.
Oh, I see you.
I see Santa. Look at all these Santas down here. Should I go in between the Santas?
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Be careful.
I'm going really slow. I don't want to crash the drone here and like take out a power line. Oh my god. There's a bush right there of some sort. Wow, what's going on?
Go down the path.
Oh, they're right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's the path. I asked the owner if I could zip through his porch up here.
Go through the trees. Oh, okay.
That's pretty cool. He said I could if I was careful. Look at those guys. Pretty cool. Alright, now we're gonna go on out of here. There are some wires above me. Is there any cars? Oh, there's a car there. Is there any more cars coming in the driveway?
What?
Any more cars coming in the driveway?
No, I'm clear.
Okay, maybe I'll go down the driveway backwards on this side. What do you guys think?
Be careful.
Guys, make sure you give this video a like. Give a like for my sideways flying. That's kind of difficult to do with the little FPV drone, especially at night. Not sure what that is right there. Is there any wires over here? I hope not. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, there is a fence there, though. I should have went.
The car's coming, car's coming.
Okay, thank you. I'm in the yard right now. So I'm away. Oh, what is this? This is Santa's sleigh. Oh, and there's a whole bunch of cables right there that I'm gonna stay away from.
No car's coming.
Cool. What do we got here? We got like a little river of lights. This is fun. Some gingerbread man. So if you guys come on out here, just remember to stay in your car. Don't go walking around the driveway or the yard. What do we got here? Let's kind of do like a little orbit. Another car coming? Is it leaving? Entering. Okay, cool. So I'm going to do a little orbit then here and show off this. What do we got going on here? Oh, look, we got like a little candy cane garden here. This is fun, guys. What do you think?
Hey, just to let you know, Papa, there's someone parking right in front.
Oh, okay.
Just want to know, just be cautious. No, they park in front. Santa's home or?
Okay, I remember that there is a rope. Oh, I see it. There's the rope, so I don't want to get
I'm gonna go. Okay.
let's go around this other side here.
Say good night, good night.
I want to go around the front of the reindeer, but I don't want to.
Be careful, be careful, be careful. That side has a rope on it.
That side has a rope on it too, okay.
Car entry.
Isn't that cool, guys? That's fun. A reindeer action. Should I go above them? I don't want to hit them at all.
Oh, be careful.
So let's just get away from him. How much battery do we got left here? We're at 54% on the battery. So I can still zip around some more. I don't think I showed... Oh yeah, there's cables there. I want to stay away from those cables. Maybe while I'm all the way back out here at the end of the driveway, I'll try to get a big wide shot of everything. Oh man, my lens just took some rain.
Really?
Yeah, like a little rain.
Still see?
I can still see, but there we go. I want to go up, see if I can kind of see the whole thing. Can you see where the drone is? I can't. Hopefully there's not like a tree right above.
Let me go to your drone.
I think we're good. I'm going to tilt down a bit. Kind of show the whole thing. Let's just do a slow pan. So you guys can really see kind of how big this is. So there's one side. There's the house. There's the other side. And we're at 47%. I'm going to start bringing her back in slowly again here. Oh, there is a tree above me. I just saw the branch. Oh, there's a tree here. I really don't want to get hung up in a tree and affect the lighting here after they were so generous by letting us come out here and film. What's up, Santa?
There's no line.
Let's do like do a slow kind of a... Oh wait, I see something that'll be fun. So we got the candy canes here, right? Let's check out these little penguins.
You're good. There's no line. Car entering maybe. Just stopped up there.
Who's this little guy? It's like a Snoopy or something? Going through the deer. Going nice and slow here, guys. This is a nice, slow flight. Just enjoy the ride. What do you think, Lucas? Should we come on back? Think we got enough? I mean, we could go around the side of the house if we want. I don't really want to go back there too much. You can say we saw it. We saw it. Come back down this path again. Should we do the other side a little bit more just to make sure we got it all?
Yeah, I'm gonna go watch you.
Okay.
You see me?
Yep.
Be careful over there.
Should we try and do like another little sideways flight? Huh? Where do you want me to go? In here? By Mater? Where do you want me to go? Do you want me to come back out to you? I can't see you anymore. What else? What other little treasures can we find here? All right, guys. I think we got it. What do you think, Lucas?
What?
What do you think? Think that should about wrap this video up?
Huh?
You think we got enough stuff?
I cannot hear you.
What else do you want to shoot?
Oh, follow me.
All right, we're gonna follow Lucas. He wants to show. Yeah, I can hear you. Go around?
Zip around a little bit.
Okay.
But not that fast. Slower.
Okay. Lucas is saying, zip around.
That's a good speed. That's a good speed.
Oh wait, we forgot to show off the jack.
Oh yeah, but be careful over there. Remember? Go and I'll tell you to stop until you need to stop.
Cool. Oh yeah, there's a little wreath there too. All right, guys, this has been a lot of fun. Please like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to get 500 subscribers. So if you guys can help us reach our goal, that would be awesome. We'd really appreciate it. So thanks, guys. I'm gonna bring it on in for a landing now. That's good. That's it. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. And bring a donation, please. Bring a donation. That's what it's all about, all right? And help spread that Christmas cheer, all right, guys? Thank you. Bye.
Cheers.